Good morning children. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I am going to explain key of 22nd June 2020 dated assignment solutions. This assignment contains 5 sums. Let me explain one by one. Let me go to the first question. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. Here, the grandfather age is depends on the granddaughter. That's why let us assume that let present age of granddaughter. Present age of granddaughter is equal to x years. Then present age of grandfather. Present age of grandfather is equal to, according to the problem, 10 times of the granddaughter, which means 10x. Which means 10x. Now, he is also 54 years older than her. That means the difference between ages of grandfather and granddaughter is 54 years. It is very clear the grandfather is more than to the granddaughter. Then the difference means highest value minus least value. So 54 years older than her means the difference between their ages is 54 years. So according to problem, the difference between their ages means 10x minus x. 10x minus x is equal to 54. That is the meaning of the difference between their ages. Okay? Because of 54 years older than his granddaughter. That means 10x minus x is equal to 54. From this, 10x minus x is equal to 9x is equal to 54. Now 9 is multiplied with x. After transform into the right side, it should be divided, which means x is equal to 54 by 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 ones are 9 sixes are. X is equal to 6. So what is called the x? The present age of granddaughter. Therefore, present age of granddaughter. Present age of granddaughter is equal to 6 years, and present age of grandfather. Present age of grandfather is equal to, that is a 10x. 10x means 10 into 6 is equal to 60 years. Now observe the difference between their ages. 60 minus 6 is equal to 54 years, hence verified. This is the first question. Okay, let me explain the second one. Now the second question is, see, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find the present ages. Here there are two persons, Aman and his son. Aman and his son. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So let son age. Second question is, let present age of son is equal to x years. Now what about the, according to the question, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Therefore present age of Aman. Present age of Aman is equal to 3x, because 3 times means multiply with 3. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. 10 years ago means what? 10 years is subtract from the present age. So, present age of son is x. 10 years ago, son age is x minus 10. 10 years ago, son age is equal to x minus 10 years. Aman's age. 10 years ago, Aman's age is equal to 3x minus 10. Okay? Present age is x, 3x. 10 years ago, son age x minus 10 and 3x minus 10. 10 years ago means 10 is subtract from the present age. Now here given the relation between 10 years ago ages. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. That means 10 years ago, that means according to problem, 10 years ago Aman age 3x minus 10 is 5 times his son's age. 5 into son age is x minus 10. Okay? 3x minus 10 is equal to x minus 10. Now let us simplify this equation. This implies 3x minus 10 is equal to 5 into x, 5x minus 5 into 10 is 50. Now all the variables will be transformed into the one side and the constants will be transformed into the another side. That means this x will be transformed into the right side, this minus 50 will be transformed into the left side, which gives this minus 50 will be transformed into the plus 50 minus 10 is equal to 5x, this 3x will be transformed into the right side minus 3x. Okay. 50 minus 10 is equal to 40 is equal to 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x, which gives here 2 is multiplied with x, after transform into the left side will be divided, then 40 by 2 equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 20. So, x means what? Present age of son. Therefore, present age of son is equal to, present age of son is equal to 20 years. 20 years. Next, present age of Aman. Present age of Aman. Present age of Aman is equal to 3x. 3x means 3 into 20 is equal to 60 years. So, present age of the son is 20 years. Present age of Aman is 60 years. This is the second question. Now let me explain third one. Now the third question is, see, a sum of 800 rupees is in the form of denominations 10 rupees and 20 rupees. If the total number of notes be 50, find the number of notes of each type. There are two types of the denominations, 10 rupees and 20 rupees. So total number of the notes be 50. Total number of the notes be 50 means here. So this is the third one. Let number of 10 rupee notes. Let the number of 10 rupee notes is equal to x. Since total number of notes be, the total number of notes be 50, then number of 20 rupee notes is equal to 10 rupee notes are x, total 50. The remaining means 50 minus x. 50 minus x is equal to number of 20 rupees notes. The total amount, we will get the total amount. For example, I have two 10 rupee notes. So, two 10 rupee notes means what is my amount? 2 into 10, 20 rupees. For example, I have 10 rupee notes. 10 into 10, I have the 100 rupees. That means value of the note into number of the notes will give us the total amount. In the same way, total amount given. Total amount. What is the total amount is given here? 800 rupees. 800 rupees. Now the total amount means 10 into number of 10 rupee notes. Number of 10 rupee notes are x plus 20 into number of 20 rupee notes are 50 minus x is equal to 800. So this is the linear equation in one variable. Let us simplify and solve, find the equation. So to simplify this equation, first eliminate this bracket. To eliminate this bracket, both the terms multiply with 20. So 10 into x, 10x plus 20 into 50, 1000 minus 20 into x, 20x is equal to 800. So 10x minus 20x is minus 10x. So 1000 minus 10x. Because of 10x minus 20x like terms, 10x minus 20x is minus 10x. So 1000 minus 10x is equal to 800. Now this minus 10x will be transformed into the right side. This 800 will be transformed into the left hand. That which means here 1000 minus 800 is equal to 10x. 1000 minus 800 is equal to 200 is equal to 10x, which means x is multiplied with 10, transform into the left side will be divided. 200 by 10 is equal to x, that gives x is equal to 20. X means what? Number of 20 rupee notes. Therefore, number of 20 rupee notes is equal to 20. Number of 10 rupee notes equal to 20. Now number of 20 rupee notes. Number of 20 rupee notes. 20 rupee notes is equal to, what is the number of 20 rupee notes? 50 minus x. 50 minus x is equal to 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. So there are 30 20 rupee notes and 20 10 rupee notes. Okay, equal to 30. So this is the third one. Okay children, let me explain the fourth one. Now the fourth question is, Sunita is twice as old as Ashima. If 6 years is subtracted from Ashima's and 4 years added to Sunita's age, then Sunita will be 4 times Ashima's age. How old were they? Are they 2 years ago? Here we need to find that their ages 2 years ago. Okay? Let us find that Sunita is twice as old as Ashima. Okay? Let Sunita's age is as old as Ashima. Twice means, that means Ashima age is equal to 2 times of the Sunita's age. So let the present age of Ashima. Let present age of Ashima. Present age of Ashima is equal to x. Then present age of Sunita is equal to twice, 2 times. Sunita is twice as old as Ashima. That's why Sunita age is equal to present age of Sunita is equal to 2x. Now what happened here? Say that 6 years is subtracted from Ashima. Okay, Ashima, Sunita. 6 years is subtracted from Ashima. That means x minus 6. X minus 6. And 4 years added to Sunita. Sunita 2x. 4 years added means plus 4. Then given the relation between in this case, then Sunita will be 4 times Ashima's age. Now Sunita, in this case, Sunita is equal to 4 times Anita age. That is the question. So we can write according to the problem. According to the problem, okay, 2x plus 4 is equal to 4 into Anita is x minus 6. So let us simplify this equation. 2x plus 4 is equal to 4 into x 4x minus 4 into 6 24. Okay, all the variables will be transformed into the one side and the constants will be transformed into the another side, which means your 4x, this 2x will be transformed to the right side minus 2x equal to, already we have the plus 4, this minus 4 will be transformed to the left side plus 24, which gives 4 plus 24 is equal to 28 is equal to 4x minus 2x is 2x. Now 2 is multiplied with x, transform into the left side, it should be divided. 28 by 2 is equal to x. So therefore x is equal to 14. 28 by 2 is equal to 14. X means what? Present age of Ashima. Present age of Ashima is equal to 14 years. Therefore present age of Ashima is equal to 14 years. 14 years. At the same time, present age of Sunita. Present age of Sunita is equal to 2x. 2 into 14 is equal to 28 years. But they are asking find their ages 2 years ago. 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Ashima age is equal to 14 minus present age of Ashima 14 minus 2 years ago means subtract the 2. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12 years. Next, Anita is equal to 28 minus 2 equal to 26 years. This is the fourth one. Okay, children? Now let me explain the last one. Okay, the last question is, a laborer is engaged for 20 days on the condition that he will receive 60 rupees for each day. He works and he will be fined 5 rupees for each day if he is absent. If he receives a total 745 rupees in all, for how many days he remained absent? Okay, so this is the question. Total working days are engaged, total number of days engaged the laborer equal to 20 days. Okay, the laborer engaged for 20 days only. So last fifth question, let given number of days engaged equal to 20 days. So what we are required to find? For how many days he remained absent. So let the number of days he absent. Let number of days he absent equal to x. So number of days work, number of days of working nothing but here present, number of days of working nothing but here number of days present equal to remaining days. So 20 minus x. For each present day he will get, each present day he will receive 60 rupees and find for each absent day 5 rupees. That means that the total, how he will get the total amount? Actually 20 into 60. He need to earn 20 into 60 rupees. For one day he will be earning 60 rupees. For 2 days 120. Like 20 days 20 into 60. 20 into 60 means 1200 rupees. Actually he need to earning the amount, total amount. But he did not earning the total amount 1200 rupees. What happened here? Some days he was present. He received only 745 rupees only. 745 rupees. So how we will get that? Amount received by laborer is equal to 745 rupees. So we will get that amount received by the laborer. Number of days present will earn 60 rupees. That means for one day 60. How many days he was present? He was working 20 minus x. So 60 into 20 minus x. So that is the working. And fine, that fine will be subtract from the earning amount. That fine will be subtract from the earning amount. Earning amount means minus how many days he was absent? X. Okay. Each day how much he will be fined? 5 rupees into 5 is equal to 745. So 60 into 20, 1200 minus 60x. Again minus x into 5 minus 5x is equal to 745. Now 1200 minus 60x minus 5x, 65x is equal to 745. So this 65x will be transformed into the right side. This 745 will be transformed into the left side. So we will get 1200 minus 745 is equal to 65x. So which means 1200 minus 745. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 will be left. 9 minus 4 is also 5. So here 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Is equal to 65x. Then 65 is multiplied with x. After transform into the left side will be divided. Then x is equal to 455 by 65. Okay. Now 5 13s, 5 9s, 5 1s and 13 1s, 13 7s. Then x is equal to 7. So number of days he absent. Therefore number of days he was absent. Number of days he was absent is equal to 7 days. So this is the fifth one. Okay children. Thank you children. These are the 5 sums solutions. Thank you very much.